Hello everyone and welcome to Thankful Abode. I'm Jamie. Today I need to do some chicken coop maintenance. They need some more pine needles thrown in. I need to add to their coop for the deep litter method. I can go more in depth on that in a future video if you would like. I have a new spring for their door that I'm gonna add on. So I'll be doing that today as well. Hello babies. Cleo, what are you doing? Are you sunning? Oh, it's groom time. And there's beautiful Mila. Hi, pretty girl. What? What is it? Yeah? You gonna talk to me? Look at her tail. Her tail is always flopping and swinging. Isn't she pretty? Oh, she hears something. There she goes. So I have this spring. It's an adjustable spring that you would put on like a screen door. So I'm going to add it on this door. I want this door to spring back when I open it so that when I go inside I don't have to worry about pulling it closed and they stay inside all nicely. So it's going to go like here somehow. All right, we are inside the coop. Let me get in here. Okay, so there is my spring. And if I push on the door, it comes back just like I want it to. So the door is done. Now I need to get their pine shavings and do their coop. I try to keep Daddy's little trail here free of pine cones. So the screen door spring was Daddy's idea, and I'm always thankful for his helpful ideas. Let's turn this around. Only 10 more loads.
10 more.
I don't know. Going to town. They are loving their new bedding. I'm not done yet, but I'm taking a well-deserved break. Need some water. They're so happy. Time to deal with the coop. I'm doing the deep litter method. I've never done it before, so it is new for me, and so I thought I might teach you guys as I learn. So first things first, let me show you the inside of the coop. Alright, looking pretty dirty. Got a little smell. The reason I'm trying to explain why they weren't using the coop. See this right here where I've cut? This was a roost that went all the way across to that other 2x4 over there. And these little boogers were roosting on this coop. I do have some photos of it. I may pop those in here. They were spending the night. They were sleeping out here on this roost. So finally, I tried to remove it, but the screws were in so far that I couldn't get the drill down in to catch the head. So I brought out the, what's it called? Jigsaw, one of those, and just cut the whole roost down. And that night, they went up in their coop like they're supposed to. And ever since then, since I removed that roost, they've been doing what they're supposed to do. So I am going to start the deep litter method. I'm hoping that by spring, I'll have some good compost in there. You gonna talk to us? You gonna talk to us? Thank you, sir. So now I'm gonna go out to my to my compost pile and get some mulch. I'm trying something a little different. Let me get this out of the way. I am going to mix mulch and shredded paper. Now, when I say shredded paper, it's not just any shredded paper. You want to make sure that it's none of that slippery paper like you would get in a sales ad. You know the envelopes have those little clear plastic windows. You don't want that in it. Just regular paper. Junk mail that is regular paper. So I'm gonna mix all this because shredded paper will degrade in compost. So I'm just gonna mix it with my mulch. Looks good enough to me. we designed our coop this height with a floor on the bottom that's like slippery. I can't remember what you call it. It's that white sheet stuff that you get at like Home Depot, so that I could rake it into the wagon. But I decided to do things a little different, and we're gonna see how it works. Instead of cleaning it every couple weeks or whatever, I'm gonna try this deep litter method. And hopefully by spring I'll have some good compost. So I'm only gonna clean it out probably once a year. That might be enough. Where's my rake? It's over here. Achilles. No. Poor Achilles can't hear. He's a little old, but he's been a good dog. I'm gonna save the rest of this and use it next time I add to it. But that's it. The chickens will spread it out and do what they want with it. I'm gonna get all this out of the way. Put my wall back in. This is just a retaining wall that I made, and I put these two pieces of wood so that I could just lift it right out. Just like that. So now I have a good depth with that wall that'll hold everything in. That's it. My day is finally done. So this is how I maintain my chicken coop for the most part. And they seem to be happy and enjoy all of it. So if you have any questions, leave them below. And as always, do not ever let anyone or anything take your joy.